That GNO file is a GenoPro genealogy document, your family tree, relationships, and genogram visualizations mapped out in structured detail. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or export these family history files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the GNO format and dozens of others obsolete. GNO files are genealogy documents created by GenoPro, a family tree and genogram creation application. They store individual records, family relationships, medical history, timeline events, and visual genogram layouts for comprehensive family history documentation and research. GenoPro GNO files use a compressed XML-based format, storing individual records with birth, death, marriage, and medical data alongside genogram layout coordinates, relationship links, and multimedia attachments. They support GEDCOM import and export for genealogy data exchange. The fundamental software link for GNO files is built around GenoPro by GenoPro. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the GNO file and choose Open With. Use GenoPro as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If the GNO file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the GNO format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, opening the file. Download and install GenoPro from genopro.com. Open your GNO file via File, then open to load the complete family tree with all individuals' relationships and genogram layouts displayed in the visual canvas for browsing and editing. Next, exporting family data. Use GenoPro's export features under File, then Export to save your family tree in GEDCOM format. For import into other genealogy applications such as Ancestry.com, Family Search, or Gramps. Export to HTML for sharing interactive family trees via web browsers. Finally, printing genograms. Navigate to File, then Print Preview. In GenoPro, to configure page layout and scaling for printing large family genograms. Use the Report feature to generate formatted family reports, including individual summaries, relationship charts, and medical history timelines. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.